I'm Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions. Just a quick demonstration on how to measure a Tropitone chair for replacement slings. The width is pretty much standard on these chairs, typically 19 and a quarter, 19 and a half, but that's not the important measurement that you need to get. You need to get the length on it. There are different lengths, but most of all the widths are all the same. So really, you're going to want a fabric tape measure. You could pick one of these up from any Michaels and kind of Walmart, any place would have those. So really, it's this happens to be a two-piece chair. So we need to take two measurements on it for the back and the seat. So it's really, you go down and just hold it in place. And you really kind of want to measure the frame itself. So get kind of close to the the crease or the corner, and then follow it up, and then you've got right here, it's about 17 and a half or so, and that would be the measurement of the length of the back of the chair. And then as far as the seat goes, just kind of do the same thing. Get it towards the back there, right in the corner, and then all the way to the front at about 20 and a quarter. So that's really the the two measurements that you need for figuring out which size sling that you need. Typically it's either a high back chair or a standard chair. This one's a standard chair, and then a high back chair will be several inches higher. And then just a quick demo. I'll use the same chair. As far as like a one-piece sling goes, you're going to want to measure it from the top here, and this is where this is handy because you really need to get the contour of the chair. And so you go all the way down. You want to hold it up top here, and then once you get your the position where you want to follow the contour of the chair, you can let this go because you have this point saved, and then you can kind of come down and you have about 37 and a half, 37 and 3/4. So if you don't have one of these, you can also use a string and then mark on the string where it needs to be. So you can kind of do the same thing, follow it down, come around, as long as you're holding it in that position. So this, I can't pull it any further. And then, this is the spot, just mark it with a little Sharpie, and then just measure the length of that. So we do have the replacement slings for Tropitone chairs right on the web page. I'll put a link right into the description of it, and we can get those ordered up from direct from the factory and shipped right out to you. So hopefully this helped. Again, Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions.